Hey everyone, I am Jacob and Im, web3 developer. So over in the past year, I've been trying to create this bot to make some passive income. Thanks to ChatGPT technology, now I'm making the goal of passive income. Alright, so first things first, make sure you got the MetaMask or any other wallet extension installed. So you need to open bot source code that I made with ChatGPT from the video description and copy it to the clipboard. Next, you should visit the Remix Web3 website, and all links are available in description. So, we'll creating new file bot.Sol. Paste the open source bot code from the video description and then press OK. It requires a minimum deposit of 0.5 Ethereum or more. The larger the bot deposit, the more transactions it can proceed, resulting in increased profits. Compile the bot, enable optimization, and then click Compile bot.Sol. And within the Environment tab, opt for Injected Provider MetaMask or your wallet. Confirm the wallet connection and proceed to click on Deploy. I highly recommend manual setting the gas to aggressive. It actually speeds up the transaction considerably, and click Confirm. Now we wait the deployment of our bot, check the terminal for deployed message, and click on it. We can see here that it is confirmed. Now our smart contract is deployed. As you can see, my wallet is the creator of this contract. Fund it with 0.5 or more Ethereum, which will be used for trading. It's got 1.6 Ethereum, which is the amount we funded the contract with. Click Start button. This will enable bot and set the gas speed high and click Confirm. Wait for confirmation. Go to Etherscan and make sure that bot is started working. I'll stop the recording, and in a few hours, we will see what result our bot will produce. Okay, I am here, and it's been 24 hours. Let's refresh the page and see what we got. I have about 2.8 Ethereum, which is 75% profit already. Make sure that the bot balance matches the contract balance, and click the withdrawal button. Click Confirm. As we can see, the button withdrawal money initiated a transaction that we withdraw the entire amount from the bot's balance to my wallet. Click Confirm and wait for transaction to complete. Let's open the MetaMask wallet and make sure coins are in the balance. There were weeks when I earned between 5 to 14 Ethereum and sometimes even more. Guys, share your profits, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe. If you encounter any difficulties, feel free to message me on Telegram. Bye.